Alright y'all, so I'm gonna just jump right into this video, the hairstyle that I'm going to be doing today. And I'm a little nervous because y'all see my head, like, it's thick. The hairstyle that I'm gonna be doing today is a slick, super sleek middle part ponytail. So I already prayed over my hair, but we just gonna take a moment of silence real quick. Lord Jesus, please, 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 let this hair be laid and slayed. Thank you, thank you. But I already went on ahead and washed, deep conditioned my hair, everything like that last night. So what I am gonna do is blow dry my hair. But y'all already know, using my tried and true oil moisturizer by B&B in their maximum strength. Alright y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like, blow dried. And y'all, like, if y'all know any really good blow dryers, please list them down below in the description box, because OMG, I'm just so tired of my little rinky-dink blow dryer. And I mean, my hair is not even all the way blow dried, but this is as much we're gonna get. I'm going to section off my hair into two sections. Well, first I'm gonna part it, because I did say I want to do a middle part, so I am going to part it. And I don't know where the heck my right tail comb is at, but this is just gonna have to do for today. Today, I'm gonna be using my green Eco Styling Gel. I'm gonna use this first, and then I'm gonna go into my Clear Ice Coconut Oil Styling Gel. The only reason why I'm using two is because I'm running out of this one, but I normally use Eco Styling Gel anytime that I do slick my hair back, just because I don't have that white buildup of residue. Oh, and another tip, okay, I would suggest try to blow dry your hair like after you wash it and everything like that, because I literally had to take the spray bottle and spray my hair all the way back down before I could even blow dry it. So kinda doing too much, but it is what it is. Matter of fact, I did that backwards. I got the gel on my brush, but I meant to put it in my hand. So I'm just gonna take, and I put a lot of gel in my hair, y'all. Like, I'm not shy when it comes to it, because my hair is thick. Like, it does not behave itself if you just put a little bit of product up there. So definitely, you know, when it comes to putting gel in your hair, you know, you're gonna have to judge it for yourself. But I know my hair is thick and it ain't gonna behave itself if I try to be cute and put a little downsized amount of gel. No, it's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna take my brush and just start smoothing that. And I am gonna go for a low ponytail as well, because the ponytail that I have is 18 inches, so I do want it to look a little long. So that's why I'm going for a lower look. But I'm just gonna stop talking and just let y'all watch me do what I do. Anyways, the part that we've all been waiting for. This is, whoa, okay. So here's the ponytail. As y'all already know, it's from Candy Hair Extensions. They do have a winter or Christmas, I think that's a better term, Christmas sale going on. So this is a, ooh, hold on. So this is their 18 Brazilian straight ponytail. This is the ponytail. It does have one comb in there, and then I guess this is supposed to wrap around. There is Velcro on the top. So this is what I'm working with right here. Nice little straight ponytail. So I was a little nervous. I mean, on camera it doesn't look that bad, and I think that's just because I have gel in my hair. That's why it doesn't look too light. because I was thinking it was gonna be a little too light for my hair texture. So what I'm just gonna do is place it. Hopefully I can do this on camera, but I'm gonna take that comb piece and just place it in the middle back portion of where my ponytail is. And then I'm going to, I guess, try to wrap this piece around. Oh, y'all. Okay. We may have a situation. My hair may be too thick. I don't know. Like from the back, it don't look bad. It's just, okay, see from this side, you can see it. It's not enough up there, so. I almost kind of need like 2 of these. Definitely need 2 of these. And like from this view, it's like, look, what they say, fake it till you make it. So that's what we're gonna do. So when I do my little, you know, my little Jimmy Jane, I'm just gonna do it from this way. And when I take my little pictures, I'm just gonna, you know. But anyways, we tried. So moving on to the makeup. Moving on. All right, y'all. So like I said, I already went on ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. And now what I'm going to do is go in with the 23 Perfect Matte New York colors. And I think I'm going to go in with this light blue periwinkle color right here. Originally, I was just going to use 1 shade of blue, but decided to switch it up at the last minute. So I am gonna take a light fluffy brush. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, I'm gonna take a light fluffy brush and use that as my transition color. And I did use my LA Girl Pro Concealer as a base for my eyes. And I'm just gonna pop that. OMG, y'all, like that's looking like snow. That's looking like let it snow up in here. All right, y'all, so this is what the first eyeshadow is looking like. I'm really liking how smoked out it looks. And I think I'm just gonna add one more color from the Perfect 10 New York. And I'm actually going to be using this nice blue shimmery shade right here. And I'm gonna take a flat eyeshadow brush and just pat that on my eyelid. I'm really hoping this comes out like I think it will. Keeping our fingers crossed, y'all, because y'all already know, like, I am not a professional when it comes to okay, so it's looking a little light. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is put another color on top of that first and then go in with the shimmer shades just so that way it shows up. Because as y'all can see, it's not really showing up, so. But it's okay. Hold on, let me try something real quick. Oh, that's it right there, y'all. So I went into that same palette and I grabbed this silver shade right here instead. And I'm gonna take that and pack that in the center of my eye. So it kind of gives me like that snowy, like glowy effect. That's what I'm going for with this look. So I'm just gonna take that and pack that on. I'm not gonna do any eyeliner today just because I have these nice, gorgeous lashes from Candy Girl Extensions. from Candy Hair Extensions, excuse me. And I will leave links down below. They do have a sale going on. Some of their lashes are starting off at $9. So definitely do not forget to check them out. I am going to leave them down below. Alright y'all, so this is the first outfit. This is definitely for your grown and sexy Christmas party. I am going to step back some and let y'all see the full ensemble, but I did want to get close so that way y'all could see the earrings that I paired this with. Some nice bedazzly earrings, and they do have multi-colors in them, so it goes perfect with the blue outfit. And I also paired it with a matching bracelet. So this is what we're looking like. And as y'all can see, the blue definitely did come together, and by me adding in the silver eyeshadow at the top, it definitely helps highlight the jewelry. Alright y'all, so this is outfit number 2. I switched it up a little bit and made this one a little bit more comfortable by adding in a pair of skinny jeans. I still wanted to keep it nice and dressy, so that's why I chose this nice crop blouse. And I kept on the same shoes, same accessories, so this look can definitely be versatile. If you don't really want to wear a dress, you can wear jeans and still look nice and cute and sexy, but still enjoy yourself and have a good time at the Christmas party. And also for my ladies that are feeling a little bit extra, you know, grab you some fur, whatever kind of fur you have. And this is not real fur, this is faux fur. So yeah, you can just throw you on some fur and there you go. Just because this is a vest, I would probably just wear it like this. Wear it like this to take pictures, but if I actually was gonna wear it, I would go ahead and pop my arms through it, and then bam, there you go, you ready. So I'm gonna give y'all a 360 close-up of this outfit as well, but I don't know, y'all let me know in the comments down below which outfit is your favorite. I definitely love both, but the fur for me just makes it feel just a little bit extra. So yeah, y'all let me know down below in the comments which outfit is your favorite. Alright you all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it and definitely learned something new. Do not forget to check out that description box down below for everything that I talked about in this video. And also do not forget to check out Candy Hair Extensions so that way you can get your hands on this hair and on these popping eyelashes. And also, y'all already know, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and most importantly, share this video with your friends. I already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay popping. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.